Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about integration. So we have the formula in here. That is about sine 8 cosine b. We have 1 over 2 sine of a plus b plus sine of a minus b. Now we can apply the formula in here, and that should be like this. So a that is about s over number 3, b that's about 2s over number 3, and the next one that is about s over number 3 minus 2s over number 3. So this one we simplified and you got about s. This one we simplify and we got negative s over number 3. So the integration of sine s that is about negative cosine s. This one that is about positive number 3 cosine of s negative of s over number 3. And I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.